Hi guys, welcome back to another update on tropical depression, tropical oil. Now, what is tropical storm Cosme? Yes, the NSE hasn't updated it yet, but on tropical tidbits they have it as tropical storm Cosme. Um, tropical storm Barbara at 60 miles an hour, and there's another area of low pressure which could be the D-named storm afterwards. So we could have four named storms in the month of June in well, three named storm. There's three or four. No, four. I think it's three or four named storms in the month of June. But yeah, basically we've got Barbara here right now. Obviously, I'll show you this system first. The system number one as of 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, June 8th, 2025. An area of low pressure is forecasted to develop later this week and south of southern Mexico. The environmental conditions appear conducive for some gradual development of this system, and a tropical depression could form late this week or over the weekend, and they're giving that a 0% chance of formation and a 50% chance in the next 7 days. Now to go off Barbara, right here is Tropical Storm Barbara right now. They're giving it winds of 60 miles an hour. They're giving it wind. Oh, if I can get the thing up. Okay, I can't. Uh, okay, look. Okay. Well, they're giving it winds of 60 miles an hour. The pressure is probably, I think the pressure is 996 millibars, which it's 996 millibars. The pressure, pretty high though for the pressure, for a 60 mile an hour tropical storm. So, yeah, but it's expected to become a hurricane. So, it's going to get to around 80 mile an hour. It could it it could be a hurricane right now. I mean, radar suggests, the satellite suggests it's still about 60 knots, which is about 70 miles an hour. But it could be a hurricane later on tonight or early tomorrow morning. But yeah, it's moving west northwest at 12 miles an hour. This is just the same general track as what the storm is going to take. Same with TD number 3, which is now Tropical Storm Cosme, but they haven't updated it yet. So you sound like I'm doing a bit. But yeah, this is Tropical Storm Cosme or Depression to 3. Right, this is the satellite. This is the IR satellite imagery for Tropical Storm Barbara. Right now, Barbara, it's not. It's looking worse for wear right now. This is the first update of Tropical Storm Barbara. It did form last night, but I forgot to do an update, which I'm sorry about that, guys. Because I was busy yesterday. I was out, but now obviously I'll do an update. It is still got a little bit of convection towards this side of the storm, towards the eastern side of the storm. The western side of the storm hasn't got any convection yet. It's because there's a dry air intrusion. You can see that, which is like this. It's the dry air intrusion, and you can see off the court. You can see that look, Tropical 3E Cosme. This is Tropical Storm Cosme. 40 miles an hour, 40 knots, which is 50 miles an hour. Pressure of 999 millibars. Tropical Storm Cosme. Blowing up some significant convection, by the way. Look this significant convection in the circulation. Let me get a proper. That pink circle right there, literally right there, that is the deepest convection on this system. It is lopsided. There's only this part of the storm. There's no out of bounds on this side of the storm whatsoever. But if you have a look on satellite imagery for Tropical Storm Cosme right now, high-res satellite imagery, if you look back at the earlier run, you can see that the wind shear from Barbara is blowing on it. But if you have a look right now, you can see that the convection is slowly starting to wrap around the center of circulation again. And now it's fully wrapped around, blowing us some convection. And now it's completely wrapped around like here. And it's got the outflow bands. So this is not going to be as strong as Barbara, but I show you Barbara right now. You see, guys, if you don't believe me, you think it's clickbait. It's not. Tropical Storm Cosme. I know it has, and we also got Invest 92W, by the way, which is a tropical cyclone soon. It will be a tropical cyclone soon, actually. 93W, yeah, 93W will be a tropical cyclone soon. But yeah, here's Barbara right now. Barbara right now, though, does have a little bit of pink convection blowing up again. Watch this. Watch here. Oh, sugar. Oh, sugar. Barbara, there we go. Watch here, right? Barbara, watch the intent. Watch just here. See pink convection popping up. Boom. There you go. Pink convection, if you can just slightly see it. So there is a dry air intrusion in this system, of course, but obviously it's trying its best to really surround itself off of the dry air. But you can see where most of the dry air is up here and around here. It's really starting to suffocate the storm. Now it's probably not going to weaken it as much, but you never know. I'll show you the North Atlantic, by the way. The Atlantic. This is the Atlantic now. Not really looking as good, but you can see a storm here. Let me change my browser and I'll zoom in. Here you guys go. I zoomed in again. It's a Leo. So basically, here's a storm. It actually becomes 971 millibars. In the Atlantic, it actually pretty much stalls there in the same spot. Moves over the Yucatan Peninsula into the Bay of Campeche, and obviously gets absolutely destroyed by wind shear. But yeah, anyway, guys, that's all I have time for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and stay up to date on these future updates. There'll be some slight changes on the channel coming up in the next few months. So around about around about August, September, October time-ish, there'll be some significant changes happening on the channel. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you on the next video. See you tomorrow for another update on Tropical Storm Barbara and Cosme. And stay safe from hurricanes. And see you on the next video. Peace. Have a good day.